What's up, everyone? We are back with another video, and today we are gonna try out the Nut Shredder because I got it finally. I think I want to go to I think I want to go to oh my god, Haunted Mansion and see what we can get money. Let's see if we'll test this thing out. Because it seems I've seen that everyone thinks this is everyone says this is like the #1 money maker for me. So I'm just gonna try it out. Because I never had. So let's go over here. Hi, red light, green light. The big one is the over stinky chicken gat. Yeah, he's always over there. Yeah, okay. We're gonna talk about how he did not see me. Alright, Amber's going this way. We don't need our light on. Oh, we don't run into a grandma. We just ran into a grandma. No. Oh, no. Nothing in there. Definitely nothing in there. Anything in here? Nope. Bust open as many doors as you can. Don't see anything in here. Oh, key. Oh my god, I just got multiple stuff. I'll just keep you. I'll keep you, and that's stopping now. Let's see how much money we really make here. We got our pickaxe. Oh my god, there's so much blue stuff. Oh, we took it. Oh my god, we're making money. This is getting stuff. There's more. Oh. Flip trick. Why you hurt me, bro? Stop hurting me. Okay, it does not. You can't get me behind here. Wait. Oh. Crackers. Oh no, me crackers have fallen. Let's just go over here. Okay. Oh, there's more blue. I'll get the red later. For now, I'm taking the blue. You still. Oh. I keep falling. Oh my god. I'm too close. This is so hard. Here we go. Mine is this. come on! Bro, that's a pickaxe. Oh. Holy bro, I cannot with these. Alright, here we are again. Oh wait, yeah, right, just... Oh, I gotta research. Saying, look. Oh, that one can't go. Oh, there's more. There's more. Let's go get that. This entire thing is only just stored with blue stuff. That's not how you use a pickaxe. Oh. Oh, get that. Mine the red stuff now. The red ones. Got red ones. Alright, now this is the perfect. Get that one. Okay, now I have to get that one. Alright, get that. Let's go now. Let's start going. I feel like we still have some that we... Oh, let's get all those blue ones. Come on, these. Wait, where'd it go? Oh. Oh, there's more. Oh, this isn't... That was perfect, because... Yeah, it can't take any more. Let's go! Oh my god, I failed that so badly. Vale. So this should be the perfect money strategy. I just skip all of it because it's pretty good. Oh, I didn't even. Alright, let's go sell our stuff. We'll sell this. Yeah, can't sell. Alright, sell. Ooh. Alright, open. We made $8,000. Yep, that. We just made $8,000 and I have so much more money. That's it for this one. I'll make more videos about it, but boy.